Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys another style pattern that you can use for your crochet fallout braids. So first I'm going to begin by using some jam to sleek down my hair because I'm going to be doing my hair the next day, so I need to make sure that it's neat for the next day. So I'm gonna try my best to explain this as much as possible to you guys so you guys can understand how I do this pattern. But while I'm explaining, you guys can also watch to see. It's very easy, it's not hard. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be parting off the first section of my hair and I'm gonna be plaiting it backwards like I'm braiding, but I'm not braiding, I'm just doing individual plaits. So I'm moving on to the next plait, and all I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be braiding in the previous plait into the current one. So each time I'm gonna keep braiding the ends of the hair into the current one, and then at the end of this, you guys just watch till the end because you're gonna see I'm just only gonna have one end remaining because I'm gonna keep adding each end of the hair as I go along, and you guys can watch and see how I do that. I hope you guys understand because I'm trying my best to explain, but it's not hard. If you watch, you'll see how it's done. So if you guys have gotten this far into my video and you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and please turn on your post notification bell also so you'll be notified of my next video. So as you guys can see, I'm almost finished with the top part of my hair, and then I'm gonna move on to the back. So my reason for doing this hairstyle is this pattern is because it's more versatile when it comes to styling, and then my fall lock will look so much more defined. So if you guys have not already checked out my previous video on the other braiding pattern, you guys can go ahead and watch that video. I'm gonna be linking that in the iCard above for you guys to watch. So I'm starting with the back now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be braiding my hair downwards, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to be adding the loose ends for the plaits at the top, and then I'm going to be doing that continuously by adding each end into each braid. And then if you guys watch, you'll see that at the end I'll only have one ends remains, and that will be it for this hairstyle. So your parting for this hairstyle pattern don't have to be perfect, because it will not show, because your fall lock will cover it. So you don't have to worry about getting it all perfect. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys understand how it is done. If you don't, you guys can go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and I'll respond to that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the link with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.